Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for fire sign Aries, your person current feelings and actions for the month of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings. Aries, fire sign. Okay, let's see your person current feelings. Understanding, conditioning and the burden. So understanding means page of cups, and conditioning the devil energy, and the burden six of swords. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. I think one person is dominating in this connection, devil energy, and your person could be Capricorn, and page of cups. Definitely your person want to apologize for what they did to you. Because there is some dominating energy. So I think you could be dominator or your person could be, and burden, they're feeling very burdened right now. So they are thinking that you could be understand the situation from their perception. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. This could be long distance relationship, and they want to overcome this burden, and they want to harmonize. They want harmony in this connection. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they want harmony in this connection definitely. And King of Pentacles, brand new beginning. They want a new beginning with you. And a King of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles, they want long page to King. Definitely it is a transformation, and they want to offer long-term commitment to you, and they want a new beginning. Definitely they are thinking to start a new beginning, and their actions cards is they want a brand new beginning, communication, and these actions are based upon your situations. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe for final message for you Aries. Definitely your person want new beginning with you. We are the World, 10 of Pentacles. Yes, they want to offer stability. High Priestess, Chariot. Yes, Queen of Swords. Yes, communication is coming in your way, and they want to offer stability to this connection. Chariot, they want to take things to next level. Definitely they will make a move towards you. They are now listening to their intuition. Definitely, or you could be trust your intuition about this connection. 10 of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer stability to this connection, and they want to offer long-term commitment to this connection, and a brand new beginning. So this is very positive reading Aries. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.